focus. That whatever you decide to do, once you define your line, focus on it. And don't get distracted. And don't listen to the naysayers. You know, the Sanballats of this world, the Tobiases of this world. You know, the war of Jerusalem when it was being put by Nehemiah. Sanballat and Tobias were saying, no, this war will break in. They were discouraging them. But he kept on building and ignored them. Ignore the Sanballats and Tobias of this world. Forget about the Thomases who are always doubting. Forget about people who try to pull you down. And I want to assure you, the more you succeed, the more stones that are thrown in your way. If you find nobody talks about you, you have no business in this world. Or think your things are going to the village. So sometimes me, I'm always in the media. Every day. Because I get things moving. If I was not doing anything, nobody would talk about me.